Quickly in this video I'll be showing us how to make a trouser that the down part will be having a slit. This trending trouser that the down part will be having a slit. Alright, if you take a look at this particular one, this is the trouser and this is the down part, the ankle point, and you see the slits, they are looking very beautiful, right? So I'll be showing us how to achieve this. Now there are two ways to do this. There are two ways we can do this. The first method is the easy method, and that is not professional. While this is the second method, as you can see, you're not seeing the sewed part. Take note, you're not seeing the sewed part. So I'll quickly show you the two methods. Now take note, if you want to do this, one, let's assume, for example, this person's trouser length is 41. Take note, the trouser length is 41. If you want to do this method, if the trouser length is 41 and this slit here you want to do 3.5, you add an extra 3.5 to it. Take note, if the slits you want to do 4 inch, you add an extra 4 inch to it. Take note. So in this case I added extra 3.5. So you will sew, like I said, there are two methods. The first method, so what to do, go to a sewing machine. Let's assume you're through fixing your waistband, everything. So now we do the sewing. This part will sew, this part is the pocket part, the side you fix the pocket part, which is the out seam. So let us go and do the sewing. You sew ½ inch, we'll sew, and stop at, remember, it is 3.5 inch away. Okay, so we have sewed. Remember, we said the slit here will be 3 point. This is where the 41 inches stop. Take note, and from this point to this point is 3.5 inch, right? So from here to where this is where I sewed and stopped. This is the full trouser length, right? So the distance here is 3.5 inch. Now this is the excess 3.5 inch, right? That we kept, right? Take note. So what to now do, let us join this other second part. So we'll leave that for now. So now let's join the other second part as well, which is the crotch part. So we are joining with ½ inch. There are two ways we can go about it. So let's join the second part now with ½ inch as well. So let's do that now. Okay, for this other second part, you will sew down to the end. Unlike the first part, take note, the crotch part you sew down to the end. So now let's pay attention carefully. So the next thing, now this is the part we open, right? This is the part we open. So we open this. Let's iron this neatly first. Let's iron this neatly. So quickly open this part. Let us iron this neatly. So we iron this neatly, right? So you open this and you iron it neatly. Okay, this is the point where the slit is. This is the point where the slit is. Now, the other method I told us that if it were to be the easier method, I will just fix my hemigum at these edges. I'll fix my hemigum, then I'll now fold. I'm true. We'll take note of the fold. Remember, you've put your hemigum here, but the disadvantage of this is that when you're moving, they'll be seeing this weaved part, so it doesn't look nice. So let's go over to the second method. Now, when you're through with this ironing, take note, this is slit part. So what you now do, this is it. Now pick this. This is the point of the fold. Take this back. This is a good side. Take note. This is a good side, right? So now take this back to this point where we stopped. Make sure this folding goes back. So we are now sewing at this line. Remember, we iron that line. So we now sew at this line and stop at this point. Take note. We'll stop at this point, right? So let's do that now. Okay, I've done the first sewing. As you can see there, I've done the first sewing. So we stop there. If you don't understand, let's go over to the second part now. This is the second part. This is a good side facing. You fold from that point. Take note. Remember, we said we fold from that point and you take it back. Remember, we sewed and we stopped there, right? So we take it back to this point. This is the line we iron. Take a look at that line we iron. So we have to sew on this line that we iron there. We have to sew there. We stop there. So let's do that now. Okay, we've done both sewing. As you can see, we've done both sewing. So now let's take this back. So we now fold this back to, so make sure you bring this out. If you're very sure you can cut off this part, this is a customer's fabric. So take this back. So this is how. So what to now do, we iron this neatly. When you're through ironing it neatly, then you now fix your hemigum. So let us iron this neatly. So So let us iron this neatly. So we turn this to the other part and iron this neatly. Try to turn this to the other part. Okay, we are almost through. So we iron this neatly. So you adjust it neatly and make sure you iron this neatly. When you're through and you're very sure that your work is very neat, as you can see. So we adjust this, make sure we iron this neatly. When you're through, then you can now put your hemming gum. So let's do the ironing. So as you can see, it's looking very neat. So when you're through, so this is how to go about making this. You can put your edge protector. There's this edge protector. If you're following up my video, you put your edge protector at this edge. So this is how to make this. Once again, you're watching PJ Collection Clothing online class.